what's in the booth. There's something in the booth, we're gonna go see what it is. Maybe we'll speed up and make up coffee today, I don't know. Here we go. (1976) Jeep CJ5, one-owner Jeep from new, local Jeep. Got one a cosmetic exterior restoration. He wanted it bright and fresh. This is how far you got to tear one down just to paint the firewall. So the color code on this is 6P, which is Firecracker Red. After this, we walk out, we'll see it here, but we'll cut in the fenders, the grill, the hood, fit all those. Windshield frames cut in because they were painted off at the factory. Then we'll do the exterior and the dash, and then we'll paint the interior. I just want you guys to see how far you got to tear it down to get the firewall to look like that. You did not want the motor out, did not want the body off, so this is how we did it. Looks awesome. All right, what's in the booth? My favorite things of all time. Now, 1976 CJ5, one owner from new, it's 6P Firecracker Red. Last time we showed you, just the firewall was cut in. We shot the windshield frame off the Jeep as we always do. The fenders were cut in off the Jeep, grill cut in off the Jeep, inside the hood cut in off the Jeep, all fitted back on the Jeep, perfect panel gaps, and then you shoot the outside. And this is the way it's done. Look at this paint. Absolutely stunning. If that's not red, I don't know what is. Shot the wheelhouses on this one too. Again, the customer didn't want to take the body off, but stunning, stunning, stunning. 6P Firecracker Red, here's the tailgate. Remember, if you want your Jeep painted, you want to paint it right, always show quality every time. Okay, well, it's obviously out of the booth. The front clip's back on, the exterior's painted, beautiful panel gaps, check it out. Firecracker Red, one owner Jeep. And they also decided to go with red spray and liner, so we color keyed it the same color. Absolutely stunning. Now the next big step of this process is we'll build the dash, pick up the heater box assembly and install that, and the Jeep will come back together. So next time we'll show you this beautiful completed 1976 CJ5 in Firecracker Red with absolute show quality paint, once again from Collins Brothers. The 1976 Jeep CJ5 6P Firecracker Red is done. This is going to be our fourth segment on this cosmetic restoration. This body on the frame. Here's some of the final details of the Jeep. CJ5 emblems went on both sides underneath the Jeep. Only in 76 on the 76, 86 CJs did it go there. Side steps are done. Again, this is a rare Jeep with rocker moldings, no flares. AMC emblem in the bottom left corner. Doesn't say AMC Jeep, AMC only. 1976 Texas license plates, tailgate chains, spare tires on the Jeep, and this has a factory spare tire lock, which required a key to get your spare off. That's pretty neat. We actually have quite a few of these we've saved over the years if you need one. Interior's done. Got the proper pattern in the inserts. Really, really nice. This is on here because his grandfather had this on there when it was new, so we put it back and he wanted it there. It's a grab handle, and there's no grab handle here because I didn't want one there. I don't know why. A couple of minor things under here. Beautiful reproduction emissions decal. and the early air filter element decal, which is for 76, 77. Of course, your fan caution decal. But it's done. It's ready to go. It's a new owner. I think they're going to be thrilled. Please like, tag, share, and follow. And thanks for following this restoration. This one is going to be really cool to see if it'll clean up.
Yeah.
That might be one of the world's dirtiest 1995.
You can't get the hood open either.
Oh
Yeah, we got it.
oh, cool.
You did? Yeah, I mean.
5-speed?
5-speed 4-wheel drive with a utility box.
Yeah, that's so cool.
This is cool.
Utility box is clean too. That dog will hunt right there.
Yeah, we'll own it.
These were under 150,000 dollars.
Cool part about
These guys didn't tell me that it was here. I honestly didn't know. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So thank you. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. So this is the one they say that is not for sale. I didn't know this was here, but telling Dennis something that's not for sale is probably, I don't know, bad idea. I'm pretty persistent. So I'll stay on Cyrus and Miles and see if we can't get this one bought pretty soon. Very cool. So the inspection sticker shows this has been sitting here since 1994. So this has been sitting here for 26 years. Kind of a drag. But we're gonna save it. So now that those are all out there that are paying attention and notice that it is an 86 Laredo, let's go see if it's got a Dana 44 in it or not.